Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The squeeze theorem says, in essence, that if we start with a function f of x and we know for sure that it's less than or equal to another function h of x, and also greater than or equal to a different function g of x, then if we're able to show that the limit as x approaches a of g of x is equal to the limit as x approaches a of h of x, then this function that's in between the other two has to be squeezed into the same limit. So we can say the limit as x approaches a of f of x also has to equal the same limit of L. For example, if I ask you, what's the limit as x approaches infinity of sine of x over x? This is pretty tough to answer as is, but we do know that the sine function fits between -1 and +1. It never gets any bigger than 1 or smaller than -1. So that means we can fit this function sine of x over x in between 1 over x and -1 over x. We know that the limit as x approaches infinity of both of these functions goes to 0, which means since sine of x over x fits between these two, we could say that its limit as x approaches infinity goes to 0 as well.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.